Hey guys, Patrick from Sports here. Today I just want to talk to you quickly about how to auto-feature a search in the Sports Here platform. Now, the reason this is great is because it's a step towards setting and forgetting your calendar. You can basically permanently feature teams or even leagues or sports, but mainly teams, and then they'll always be featured, meaning you're always communicating them as a live and loud offer in your venue. Let me show you how. Sportshere.com.au/engine is obviously where you go, first of all, to log into the Sports Here platform. Now, this is where your sports schedule lives. Let me just quickly log in here. Okay, we're in now. If I click on the search area, this is how you do it. Let me show you. Search button. We go into search filters. Press clear all filters, make sure that there's nothing loaded up in the search filters area. Let's say I want to make a team permanently featured. All I do is select my team. I'm going to go for the Sydney Swans. Always when they're on TV, because I don't want the Swans, if they're not on TV, to be in my sports schedule. So always make sure you select only show broadcast live. I press save search and then we name it. So let's just call it... I actually put a number above my featured save searches, just so they appear on the top of my save search list. But just call it what you need to. Sync to the calendar, yes, always sync to the calendar. And then feature in my sports cal. So it's going to permanently feature AFL Swans on TV. I name it on TV if I've selected broadcast live. So AFL Swans on TV, sync to my sports cal, feature in my sports cal, save, and so there it is. When I press that button, I can see it now on my save search list, and you can see that it's gone ahead and featured the Swans games on the left. But let's see them in action. Click on my sports cal and we go back to the automated schedule for your venue, and if I just click through the next Swans match, it should automatically be featured. Let me try and find it. There it is there. So the Swans game is featured. The system is auto-featuring Swans games. Now, what does that mean? It means that you're communicating Swans games as a permanent live and loud offer, and you don't have to now click through and do that featuring of Swans games once a week. So what we really are working on with this auto save search feature is we want to automate your key live and loud picks. So it might be a couple of teams, one in AFL, one in NRL, one in Super Rugby. Let's start to automate those teams so you're no longer having to actually manually go ahead and select them every week. So that's how you automate a saved search, an auto feature a saved search. Don't forget to check out some of the other videos on the YouTube channel. We just updated the overview section as well, so have a look at that. Thanks very much for listening. Talk to you later.